You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this town in Iceland. For more names of famous places to visit from Icelandic, make sure to stay tuned. Locally, the pronunciation in Iceland is as Ísafjörður, Ísafjörður. So in English you can say it as Ísafjörður, Ísafjörður or Ísafjörður. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.